Parang 5 years na kayo magkakilala after mong lumabas sa PBB. Di ba parang 5 years na kayo magkakilala? Then naabutan mo pa pumasok ka sa PBB ng batch nila, di ba? Right. So ano po may mga discoveries niyo sa isa't isa?
Ano po yung
discoveries?
If I'm not part of the solution,
ang masasabi ko yung discoveries.
hindi ako dapat nakikialam.
Siyempre po, parang sa loob ng 5 years ng friendship namin, hindi naman kami laging okay. Masasabi rin naman po namin na na-test din yung friendship namin. Ngayon po, mas kilala na namin yung isa't isa, pati yung sarili namin. Masasabi rin po namin na growing up din po kami.
Any fun facts na lang?
Our question and answer portion for before we end.
Matakaw.
Wow!
How would you like this film to be remembered, Miss Joey? Yes, this was requested by Regal Films.
Mahilig siya mag-linis
Yes.
ng
How would you like this film to be remembered, Miss Joey?
Oo, magaling siya magluto.
Ito po isa ko yung kilikili kasi mga questions.
Ano yung favorite traits nyo sa isa't isa?
What I would like to say lang is
funny.
Funny din.
it's understandable that
Parehas kami ng
we all
humor.
have ambitions.
And then with regards to, kasi parang pareho kayo nagpupursue na pagsabay yung studies and yung career. So ano yung masasabi nyo about
Dream
your
big,
studies?
It's not
but in the exchange of
talaga.
Madali.
relationships,
Kailangan mo talaga yung balance yung oras mo, yung isip mo, pag-aaral sa
your
trabaho.
soul. So, I just hope na when you
Kaya,
watch
kayanin.
this
Kasi
film,
kailangan pa rin yung dalawa. Dalawa sila mahalaga eh.
or siguro it could
Patibayan
bring
na
us
lang din talaga.
really just
Tsaga lang.
think
Sa
of
uli,
and
aanihin mo
assess
yun.
the choices that we make.
It's a matter of
Thank you.
priority.
Thank you so much once again. The cast of Untold.
Tamang balance lang ng oras.
One last quick photo op.
And what makes the My Future You different with the other rom-com na meron sa Philippine movie industry?
Siguro,
Yung storya, yung pinakakwento niya, siguro,
Thank you so much again to all our friends from the media for joining us this wonderful Saturday afternoon,
may twist siya
as well
talaga
as our
papanoorin
artists and
na
cast for the final 3 movies that were approved by
kaya
Mother
pala, marami siyang kaya pala. Ganun. Marami siyang revelation na nangyayari natapos mo yun. So, hindi siya yung ganun typical na mag-away, maghihiwalay. Hindi siya yung ganun. May bali siyang maganda.
I think what makes My Future You unique or different from other rom-coms is the characters in that movie at kung paano hinulma yung kwento. Kaya nga po nang sinabi niya, ang daming revelations.
To the cast of Untold, we will have one
nandun
more
pa rin yung
final photo
drama.
op
Hindi mawawala
with
kasi
the cast of Guilty Pleasure alongside Ms.
story
Roselle
about
and
the
Sergio.
family, about sa sarili mo, and your
We would
special
like to call on
someone,
the cast
at
again
kung
of
paano mo
Guilty
rin
Pleasure.
mapoprotektahan yung mga taong mahalaga sa buhay mo. So I think yun yung nag-differentiate sa pag-future sa ibang rom-com.
Okay, photo na lang.
Salamat po.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
May shadow yung half ng face.
Sorry kasi
Ano, meron na ba mag-interview?
mo, dito. Wait, isa pa, one mo here. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
So now for our second movie. So Regal has always built a lot of love teams and romance, and honestly, I'm a sucker for stories about young love too. So this next movie is about young love, but I think it's more than that. It's also a family drama, and as the director would say, and a hint of magic. So with that said, I present to you My Future You. This film is written and directed by Crisanto Aquino.
We would like to call Direct Crisanto Aquino to join us on stage alongside our cast for My Future You. Here joining us, of course, we have Izzy Canillo, Mosang, Francine Diaz, and Seth Fedelin. And of course, we would also like to acknowledge other castmates who won't be able to join us today. We have Amira Mula, Christian Vasquez, Pibi O'Hara, Bonji Pascua, Marcus Madrigal, and Vance Larena. Alright, we would like to ask our cast members as well as Sir Keith to stand up first for a quick photo op muna. And also Miss Roselle to join them as well for the photo op. Again, this is our cast of My Future You alongside Direct Crisanto B. Aquino, Miss Roselle Monteverde, and Sir Keith Monteverde. Alright, thank you so much. And now, we would like to open the floor again to our friends from the media for a quick Q&A with our My Future You cast.